In this video, I'm going to show you how to get unbanned from Grindr. So getting unbanned from Grindr will require you to submit a ban appeal. So please open up Google Chrome or any web browser and just look up Grindr ban appeal. From here, you want to go ahead and press on the official help.grindr.com website. And of course, there also are other resources that you're able to hear from Reddit, for example, from other people who have successfully been able to get unbanned. So that's another resource that you guys have. But anyways, let's go ahead and open up the Grindr page. Now, what you want to do is you want to go to the search bar and look up ban appeal. Then go ahead and just press on enter. Select over here where it says how Grindr moderates content and profiles. And then over here, it's going to give you some more information showing you guys how Grindr actually works, their terms of service and stuff like that. And of course, the next order of business is you want to go over here and select over here where it says appealing a ban. But of course, you really want to take some time to actually look at the guidelines, how they investigate, what particular actions they're going to take. But once you're done with that, we can go ahead and begin submitting a ban appeal. All right. Now, once you guys are over here, you're able to go ahead and select on this option that says you can submit an appeal right here. So go ahead and press on it. And then from here, go ahead and log into your Grindr account. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly log in with mine. All right. And then from there, it is going to let you know what particular issue it is with your Grindr account. And if you are banned, it's going to give you an opportunity to actually submit a ban appeal. Now, what you want to do is you want to be very careful when you actually submit an appeal. What you want to do is you want to give a detailed description on what really happened, explain if there was like a misunderstanding, or maybe Grindr was just being a little bit weird. Sometimes Grindr can just ban accounts for like literally no reason. So you just want to go ahead and input your reason right over here and make sure that whenever you write an appeal, that it is concise and pretty respectful. The last thing you want to do is you want to like be disrespectful or talk informally. You want to be clean, concise and stuff like that, so you're able to get the best results possible. But those are the steps that you need to take in order to get unbanned from the Grindr app. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.